if you think about something that you wanna, yeah, for Indonesian people, when we are talking English, actually the vocabularies, maybe still we are still like searching, right, and thinking, right? Jadi ketika kita mau bicara bahasa Inggris itu kita masih berpikir, masih mencari-cari, masih ya you say something but your mind also still thinking gitu ya. Jadi ngomong sambil pikir gitu kan, apa nih vocabnya, apa nih yang sesuai gitu. And um itu it doesn't matter actually. No issue sama sekali ya, nggak apa-apa, nggak masalah gitu. Dan memang seperti itu gitu kan. And um, about the grammar, actually last week I gave the materials about the tenses, and I've gave it to you on the Telegram groups, and hopefully you read it. Mudah-mudahan dibaca juga gitu ya untuk yang tensesnya. Actually, I only repeat the materials because materials itu udah apa ya? Udah kayaknya sudah dari SD maybe, right? Start from the elementary school until maybe your college, we still learn about the tenses. Itu fokusnya biasanya kalau di sekolah-sekolah atau ya, tempat pembelajaran bahasa Inggris biasanya ngasihnya itu dulu gitu ya. Tapi saya nggak akan fokuskan ke situ gitu. Jadi for me the grammar is it doesn't matter gitu ya. Jadi silahkan speak up apapun yang ada in your mind gitu ya, yang ingin kamu tumpahkan, curahkan gitu ya, silahkan. Nanti boleh apapun kata-katanya. If you say so like kayaknya aduh susah nih diucapkan dalam bahasa Inggris, it doesn't matter. Just try it using another word or using bahasa gitu ya. Oke. So, any questions before about your task maybe?
No.
No? Easy, right? Tas yang kemarin
Yes.
gampang ya? Cuma bikin pendapat aja kan?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see the text. Yeah, this is the text. Ish, sorry. Yeah, we are going to talk about social media influencer. You can read this first paragraph.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you read aloud for me, please?
Okay.
Mm. Start from these titles.
Social media influencer. It is estimated that about 40% of the world's population use social media, and many of these billions of social media users look up to influencers to help them decide what to buy and what trends to follow.
Okay. From this paragraph, what do you think about this article?
Uh,
We are going to
I
talk
think
about what?
it's talk about um, many people now is um, many people in the world it's using social media
Mm-mm. And become
40%.
the
Yes, miss?
influencers.
Yes.
You know about what do you know about the influencers? Have you followed them?
Influencer, some influencer
Yeah,
on Instagram.
on Instagram. Okay. Who? Can you mention one?
It's about uh, they are talking about like
Healthy, maybe?
social, yeah, about our social,
Mm-hmm.
our study. We can
And then?
study from them.
Mm-mm. And who
And
is the name?
I don't know the name, uh, like Jerome Pauline, miss.
Okay. And let's continue first. about your influencers. Maybe actually these articles will give you the idea about what the influencers do. Okay, so on the next paragraph, so what is an influencer and how do we become one? So what is an influencer? An influencer is a person who can influence the decisions of their followers because of their relationship with their audience and their knowledge and expertise in a particular area. Okay, for example, fashion. For example, you follow maybe artists, for example, BCL misalnya, gitu ya. And then you think that BCL is one of the influencer in Instagram on Instagram maybe gitu ya. Misalnya you think BCL itu adalah salah satu influencer misalnya, atau misalnya kita pilih who is eh siapa tuh namanya, kok lupa ya, siapa tuh, Mary Riana, sorry, Mary Riana
Oh,
juga
ya.
sama ya, maybe you know it, itu juga sama mungkin like Mary Riana doing something like motivating people gitu ya, kasih-kasih motivasi supaya lebih lebih ya
Mario
itu.
Teguh.
Oh ya, Maria Teguh and so many actually ya, sebetulnya banyak banget. But some people like we gitu ya, biasanya itu follow-nya artis gitu-gitu ya, selebgram selebgram yang sudah terkenal, yang maybe the follower more than 100 and then 1000 maybe ya, and next 1 billion mungkin gitu ya, yang followernya udah banyak banget. And influencers often have a large following of people who pay close attention to their views. Nih, ini dia yang saya bicarakan tadi. Followernya yang udah biasanya lebih dari 1000 gitu ya, 2000, 3000, and 10.000 gitu ya. Yang followernya sudah banyak. They have the power to persuade people to buy things. Usually, maybe you have already watched like some of the video on the Instagram yang like, hello guys, this is our new brand, for example, this is the night cream misalnya gitu, right? Itu biasanya diposting
Yes.
sama si influencernya, so hopefully gitu ya, si influencer ini nanti bisa mempengaruhi keputusan keputusan si followernya untuk bisa membeli itu gitu ya, untuk bisa membeli barang yang dia promosikan tadi gitu. And brands are now asking powerful influencers to market their products, with some influencers charging up to $25,000 for one social media post. It is not surprise that more and more people are keen to become influencers too. Jadi nggak menutup kemungkinan orang-orang juga tertarik. Mau nggak jadi influencer? Dengan gaji segini, $25.000. Ya kan? Siapa yang nggak mau gitu ya. Terus gampang banget lagi kan, cuma posting aja gitu ya. But the challenge is you have to collect first your followers, right? Sekarang mau banyak ya, bisa beli-beli followers gitu mungkin ya kan. And
Yes, yes.
uh, okay, so these are 5 tips on how to do that. Okay, the first one, choose your niche. What is the area? Niche is khusus gitu ya, which is the area that you know most about. For example, I asked Yani to become an influencer. So, what is your niche? Mau fokusnya kemana? Ke bidang apa?
I don't
Gitu.
know.
And
I don't know. I don't get expert about it.
okay, do you have any hobbies maybe? Punya hobi?
Hobbies,
Uh-huh.
sport.
Sport. Okay, you can share your sport. Misalnya apa? Tenis meja, if I'm not mistaken ya. Tenis meja apa? Apa bulu tangkis ya?
Table
Ya, table tennis
table
kan?
tennis.
Iya, tenis meja, table tennis. Nah, you can share because I think that most of people, especially women or girl, maybe some of them do not choose table tennis as their exercise, right? Kayaknya masih jarang gitu
Yeah.
yang pilih table tennis sebagai apa ya, olahraga yang dipilihnya. Usually biasanya only ya datang ke gym gitu kan. Terus cuman ya olahraga-olahraga ringan aja gitu ya. Entah mungkin kalau sekarang kan mungkin yoga yang kayak gitu-gitu. Biasanya yang woman ya, biasanya kalau perempuan yang pilihnya mungkin yang ringan-ringan gitu. Terus yang kalau table tennis ini jarang banget yang saya lihat perempuan gitu. Betul nggak? Nah, you can you can be the influencers of this table tennis. It means that you can ask or you can show to the others or to your followers about your ability in table tennis and how you kick the ball maybe gitu ya, di videokan misalnya lagi praktekin apa namanya lempar bolanya kayak gitu-gitu kan, sering dilihat nggak kalau di review-reviewan gitu ya, sekali lihat ya pastilah. Do you have an Instagram? Yes, of course, right? Punya dong Instagram, sering dilihat kan postingan-postingannya kayak gimana. Nah, you can do that thing. Siapa tahu nanti followersnya bertambah ya kan, daripada postingan yang galau-galau aja. Galau-galauin ya kan, mendingan posting kayak gitu, siapa tahu nanti bisa jadi influencer gitu. Okay, by the way, next, find the specific area that you are most interested in and develop it gitu ya. Ini intinya, pilih salah satu yang khusus yang you can develop it and you can make some people interested about um, your specific area. Okay, and the second one you can read it. Number two.
Choose your field and write an interesting bio.
Okay.
Most influencers these days are bloggers and micro bloggers.
Mhm.
Decide which medium, such as your only blog, Instagram, or Snapchat, is the best way to connect with your followers and chat about your niche area. When you have done that, write an attention-grabbing bio that describes you and your specialty area in an interesting and unique way. Make sure that people who read your bio will want to follow you.
Okay. What do you think about this text? About this second number? Can you explain it to me?
From the second number,
Mm-hmm.
most people like using Instagram or Snapchat for chatting with the followers or
Yeah.
who follows them.
Mm-hmm.
And most influencers these days, bloggers, like they are start from blog or microblog, like
Do you have any blog
no.
or no? Or making like video and then yeah, just micro bloggers like that. For example, like when you were in India, like uh you make some recording about Taj Mahal maybe, and then after that you post it on your Instagram. That what we call like microbloggers. Only make
Oh,
something like not explanation, full explanation, no, about only we only share about something. For example, like place, the famous place, the famous attraction, for example, and then you record it, and after that you maybe post it on your media social like that. And you have to
yes.
pick your which one is the medium, okay? Medianya apa? Kita mau postnya di mana gitu. Kalau misalnya kita udah online nih, kita udah punya Instagram. Oh, I wanna post it on my Instagram. It's okay. Or YouTube maybe. If you have blog, biasanya kalau di YouTube biasanya video bloggingnya yang sudah biasanya udah emang sering banget orang-orang gitu ya, yang udah mulai dari awalnya terus menerus share video-video vlognya gitu ya. Nah, kalau misalnya selain itu medianya apalagi, actually any kind of media itu atau medium bisa digunakan untuk kita share pengalaman kita gitu ya. Entah itu tadi first you have to pick your niche first. Oke, okay? Pilih dulu tempat atau area khususnya mau apa nih, membicarakan apa, temanya apa gitu ya. Kita for example Yani is interested to traveling misalnya. Silahkan nanti misalnya bikin video-video about traveling. And ya nih misalnya interestednya tuh sports misalnya, silahkan nanti share sportsnya kayak gitu. Jadi biasanya usually one influencers itu one topic or one theme. Biasanya satu topik atau satu tema gitu. Misalnya traveling traveling aja yang dia misalnya ada tawaran-tawaran dari yang lain misalnya tentang kosmetik mungkin atau yang lain itu mereka biasanya nolak karena misalnya fokusnya cuma di sport aja, kemudian di fashion aja misalnya gitu ya atau misalnya di mau di kosmetik aja gitu. Jadi masing-masing biasanya punya apa ya specialty gitu, punya kekhususan
Yes.
tersendiri mau mau yang mana gitu ya. And the next one, post regularly and consistently if you want to make some followers, right? Ini harus dipost secara regularly. Biasanya per hari itu
Yes,
selalu
yes,
selalu ada, right? Kita lihat, you can see from your influencers, you as the followers, you can see, right? Every day itu dia bakalan
yes.
posting apapun. Even cuma makan satu satu buah anggur aja dia posting, right? Atau apalah yang menurut kita kayaknya oh please deh itu kayaknya it's not really important gitu ya, kayaknya nggak penting-penting banget deh makan yang kayak gitu
Yes.
aja, right? Itu mereka biasanya posting because of what, because they need maybe like support from the followers, terus butuh juga apa ya
Uh,
consistently tadi gitu ya, harus konsisten gitu, nggak
yes.
bisa nih mau jadi influencer postingnya ntar deh besok ntar deh nggak bisa gitu ya, jadi harus selalu kita lakukan secara regularly dan konsisten. Itu the most important thing ya if you wanna become an influencer. And tell an interesting story. Of course ya ini mah harus ya, wajib banget kasih interesting story gitu supaya tadi menarik menarik si followersnya gitu ya. Berharapnya sih mungkin setelah dia share di interesting story, maybe followersnya will increase gitu ya, nambah nih followersnya. Kemudian mungkin kalau dia jual-jual produk ya, siapa tahu dari sekian banyak followersnya nanti ada yang beli gitu. Itu harapannya mereka gitu ya. And make sure people can easily find your content, right? Biasanya kalau di IG itu dikasih hashtag ya kan, atau di
Yes, yes.
publish dulu nih postnya misalnya di apa namanya di story-nya, and then swipe up gitu ya kan, nanti langsung terconnect gitu ya, biasanya kayak gitu. Atau misalnya pokoknya gimana deh caranya supaya orang-orang nih can easily find your content, jadi mereka bisa melihat gitu ya. So the most importantly, if you want to become a social media influencer, you need to have passion and keep posting and your following will gradually increase. Good luck. Good luck. Gak enak ya good lucknya ini ya. Mudah-mudahan katanya mau ya. Actually it's up to you Yani. Do you wanna be ya an influencer or not? Tertarik nggak mau jadi
I
influencer?
don't think so, Miss.
Okay, why? Unconfidence
Because
or do not have
actually,
much
I'm
time?
intro.
Introvert. Okay. Eh,
No, no.
ya, pardon me?
Yeah, actually, introvert. So
Introvert.
I cannot.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you
Yeah.
sure introvert? I
I
don't think
don't
so.
like to speak to other people too much.
Okay. So you only keep your maybe interesting moment or something that you think that it is so important by yourself only.
Yes.
Okay. So, based on that, you don't want to be an influencer.
No.
No, okay. So let's move to this discussion. Do you know of any social media influencers? Of course you know, right? Like Meridiana, Mario Teguh maybe, and some artists maybe ya, banyak artis-artis juga yang tiba-tiba menjadi influencer. And then what are
Yes.
their niche areas? And of course, ya ini juga already know ya, udah tahu nih apa areanya atau
Yes.
cakupan atau lingkupan yang mereka pilih itu kemana arahnya gitu ya. And the questions. If you become a social media influencer, what medium would you use and what would you post about? What do you think about this?
If I become uh, an influencer, uh, I will like YouTube. YouTube.
Okay.
I will
You
choose
choose
YouTube.
YouTube as the medium.
Yes,
Why?
because YouTube it's like a longer time.
Okay. YouTube has the longer time for the video, right? And what
Uh,
would you post about?
and I thought about I don't know,
Sports?
maybe about cooking, about cooking,
Cooking?
Miss.
Okay,
Because
cooking, yeah.
yeah, because mother, my mother love cooking.
And what
I will
about
post
you?
about that.
And what about you?
I
Do you
don't
love cooking?
know. I don't
Your mother love
know.
cooking. And what about you? So you will make the videos about your mom who is cooking, or you will make the video about
Yes,
you?
it.
Which one?
I just eat what
Okay.
she cook.
You as the food taster, right? Okay, your mom will
Like
doing the cooking and then finishing some food, and after that you will pass it. Okay, it doesn't matter actually,
yeah,
right? The important thing you make a video maybe, and after that you post it, and hopefully you can get maybe some subscribes, comment, like, anything maybe. Like on YouTube, right? And about I mean, like, for the topic actually, yeah, it's up to you ya, up to influencer too actually ya, itu terserah mereka juga yang mau jadi influencer, okay? And this is for the example. If you become a social media influencer, what medium would you use and what would you post about? Actually, I'm keen on some social media influencers in such niche areas as fashion. Jadi dia pilihnya areanya fashion, traveling, and also sport. However, to be honest, I hardly ever follow their recommendations. What do you think about? However, to be honest, I hardly ever follow their recommendation. Whose recommendations? Rekomendasinya siapa? From based on this text, yeah.
please. Yes,
From this second sentence of this.
yes.
However,
I will follow.
however, to be honest, I hardly ever follow their recommendation. Siapa recommendation
Actually,
siapa ini?
I follow all
Their recommendation refers to whom?
fashion, traveling, and sport. Actually, I
Okay.
follow all about this.
Yeah, their recommendation refers to the actually the influencers, right? I hardly ever follow
Yes.
their recommendation. If I became a social media influencer, I'd post my ideas on Instagram and Snapchat. As for niche areas, I'd post about traveling abroad, fitness, and fashion. Gitu ya, itu pilihannya dia, right? So, any questions?
No,
Any?
miss.
No? Okay. If there's no questions, I will close this text. Okay. Okay. Sorry, the connections. Okay. What about now?
Yes.
Okay. So, actually, that's all for today about our materials and the task or your sixth assignment. And please do this assignment. Apa ya? So, do your best for all of the assignments because you know the reward, right? Tahu kan rewardnya ada apa nih at the end of this class. And hopefully, one of you, I don't know, Yani or Nurasbi or Udin yang nanti akan dapat nih, ya kan? I don't know. So do your best. Make your videos as soon as possible if I've already gave the task or the assignment. Jadi silakan langsung gitu ya dibuatkan. Karena itu one of my apa ya salah satu penilaian juga gitu ya untuk teman-teman yang join di RCK Scholarship Class ini. Jadi siapa yang mengumpulkan tugasnya lebih awal itu juga sama, itu ada satu poin lah gitu ya. Jadi jangan saling tunggu-tungguan ya, masih saling tunggu-tungguan kayaknya, wah belum ada yang posting, ntar deh kayaknya masih gitu kan. Jadi nanti silakan setelah tahu ya, ini kan tahu dulu nih taskingnya apa gitu ya, assignmentnya apa, nanti silahkan boleh langsung diposting if you done it gitu ya, kalau misalnya udah selesai. So the assignment for 6 assignment, I ask you to make like imagine that you are an influencers and ask your followers to join RCK. Can you get the point? Hello, Yani? Hello? Oh, the connection.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, wait a moment.
No, connection is not good, Miss.
Yeah.
Right here, because raining here.
Oh, yeah? Heavy rain or not? Okay. Okay. Yani?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So, I will repeat your assignment, your 6 assignment. Imagine that you are the influencers and ask your followers to follow RCK maybe or join with RCK and explain about your testimonials of RCK scholarship class.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so explain about the class maybe, or maybe the trainer, or maybe the materials, or maybe or everything about the RCK. And you can searching
Yes.
for the, maybe if you want to know about RCK more, you can visit our website and then our Instagram and any kind of sources. Okay, you can find out on the internet. Nanti silakan dicari sumber-sumbernya gitu ya, kalau misalnya mau ada tambahan-tambahan lainnya, kalau misalnya ini mau menambahkan apa ya, statement-statement yang mungkin yang sesuai dengan RCK. Dia nih cuma taunya baru sedikit nih tentang RCK, mau cari tahu yang lainnya silakan gitu ya. Oke, okay? So any questions? No? Yani, hello?
Yes, Miss.
Any questions?
No, Miss.
No, okay, there's not clear enough for the assignment, yeah? Okay, if the assignment is clear enough, actually, I will share, of course, on our Telegrams group. You can read at that at Telegram, okay? So thank you so much for coming for this class and see you next week, inshallah. And for next week's, maybe we will do the class on Wednesday, okay? So be prepared of that, and your assignment, please submit it before our class begin, all right? So thank you so much. Stay healthy. Don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hands. Okay, and don't forget to physical distancing. Okay, thank you so much for coming, Yani. See you next week, and bye bye. Thank you. Salam progress.